Go ahead, baby. Let it go. Good job. You gotta put it through the fence. Can you give it to them, Simon? You're teasing them. Go ahead, baby. Look. He's like, I'm just gonna break it. Give them all a little piece so they all have to share. Simon, what are you doing? Look. Say hi. Yay.
Rocks.
I'm gonna try to feed the rocks now. Here, guys, here's some rocks. Look at all these donkeys that you are teasing. The rocks.